All right. Very interesting fan we got here. But what you guys see here is a Dayton leading edge, or yeah, there's a Dayton ceiling fan. This one's labeled as Dayton. The tag above here, I think I gotta show you guys the tag, but that tag is labeled as Dayton. I actually have the original box, which I'm gonna show you right now, which is right there. Got this fan on eBay. Kind of paid a lot for this. This is not obviously in the original testing rig. The original testing rig is right here, but I clearly moved it over here for obviously the J-hook. This fan doesn't wobble. This fan's perfectly fine. I made sure the J-hook and everything is mounted correctly and not having any misfires or anything. The cup and everything is here. I wish I could have installed the canopy. I mean, I could, but I just want to make this video as quick as I can. If you also noticed, it's also a couple of feet from the ground. But yeah, these fans were some sort of a childhood of mine. I used to see these, and I still see these now. Obviously not with the switch cap, but without the switch cap, and obviously this one is brand new. The other ones obviously at the stores are not, but these are most commonly seen in Home Depot and stuff like that, and I always see these fans around, so it's pretty cool seeing these. This is also a 48-inch, so a 56-inch is, I was gonna get a 56-inch, but the person that was gonna sell it to me, the blades were bent and he didn't have replacement blades, so I bought a 48-inch instead. So let's get on to it, wasting no time. This is 3 speeds, non-reversible, and yeah. So these fans are good fans. However, it's a love and hate relationship in the fan community. And the reason why I say that is because of one reason and one reason only. These fans are great performers. I tested it before I started the video, but these fans are great performers, but they are absolutely garbage in reliability because these fans have no ventilation at all, which means these fans can easily be seized up and be non-usable if not maintained properly. So this is my first industrial fan. I am planning on getting a canner arm if I can, and seeing if I could work around getting a canner arm, because a canner arm is also another industrial fan that I really love. I see these in brown too. There's a career center I go to, and they have these in brown, and they have them in fan cages. The only difference is obviously they don't have the switch cap, but fan is pretty good. It's a good low speed. Not a crazy low speed, but it's pretty good. Good for a pole chain low anyway. We're gonna turn to medium. Now, these fans, like I mentioned, they're great air performers. They're really good fans, but this one specifically here is rated for commercial use. So, but it's really rare for me to see these fans. I mean, there's a lot of fans like this one that I see a lot, and they run great. They run great. They run flawlessly. And I typically see them running on like a speed like this, like medium. Clean new blades. I really do love this fan. I really wish I could keep this up, but it will be kind of difficult, and I would have to figure out how to mount it higher, because that was the purpose, to mount it higher and put it in the back over there. But if I find a smaller one, I'm definitely gonna see if I could put it in the back over there where all my fan stuff is. very good medium speed. Surprisingly, I do see grocery stores like take care of these because I still see them run, and I've been seeing these run for years. And recently I went to this grocery store that recently like cleaned them, but now we're gonna turn them on high. This fan literally sounds like a helicopter. And obviously, as an industrial, this fan is a beast. Never disappoint, and obviously this is also brand new from the box. This is not this is pushing perfect air. It's not gonna push that much since it's pretty close to the ground, but in a normal setting, this fan will definitely do a good job. And I typically see them run on high in a grocery store and stuff, especially in the front anyway. So now we're gonna spin down. But it did move a lot of stuff around here. So yeah, I got this because it was a childhood fan of mine. Well, the ones without the switch cap I just don't know how to wire a speed knob to a fan that's being controlled on a extension cord. So for those who know how to, please let me know. I would love to know, because if I know, then I would do that more often, because I would have never bought this if I knew how to put a speed knob on. So I bought another ceiling fan, which obviously I'm going to tell you guys what it is after when this fan spins down. But this is the first time of me like seeing a very clean Dayton, and a Dayton that I own. So it's really cool to own these. It will be nicer to own one that's a little bit worn, like a little like wear and tear, like the caps would have different color, like it would show some yellow. But I'm not complaining. The fan's still great. No wobble. I mean, it's a little shaky on low. It's a little wobbly on low, but once it turns to medium and high, this fan is not budging. Now, I feel like this spin down was a little bit quick, obviously, because the bearings didn't break in. And I don't think I'm gonna have the bearings break in, because I don't think I'm really allowed to let these bearings break in overnight. And if I want to, I would have to basically put this back up tonight and run it, but I don't really feel like doing that. It's too much of a risk, and I don't really want this fan wobbling too crazy, even though this fan doesn't wobble at all. But yeah, this fan is perfect silver and stuff. I would love to get a silver line or a Newton Pro line. I've seen those a lot in different schools, and especially in school gyms too. But show you guys another fan that I'm gonna be filming pretty soon. I would have to buy oil for it, but that fan will be coming pretty soon. I think I'm gonna start mounting it over there, and yeah. But yep, this is the Dayton leading edge, or normal Dayton commercial, not industrial, but commercial ceiling fan. So yeah, great fan. And yeah, I'll see you guys sometime again. I might do another fan video, but can't be now. So yeah.